I was so skeptical to get into marketing. I was like, oh my God, is it going to be the right career path? Am I doing a mistake if I don't like it? What am I going to be doomed for the rest of my career? I'm moving into a consumer marketing space from being a software engineer. Am I doing the biggest mistake? I dealt with it for a series of months, and I wish I did not have to fret so much, because eventually nothing is set in stone. You make your career and you do learn things from whatever career path you choose. I went into Colgate. I worked there as a brand manager for 2.5 years. That gave me so much of learning, a general management experience, and I don't regret that at all. I love all the experiences I got there because that positioned me to be a better marketer today. And I did not know ABCD of marketing before I went to Colgate, so I'm super grateful for those experiences, because who would welcome a software engineer to be a brand marketer? And Colgate did. They believed in me, and I'm so grateful for that experience. And I just feel like whatever comes your way, just take it, because you're sure to learn something in that career path, and it's going to position you well for whatever you choose to do next.